Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. Goats Airdrop and listing. What's the expected price and why it matters? Goats, a rapidly growing Telegram-based play-to-earn (P2E) mimic and crypto game, has been making headlines recently due to its explosive growth and massive community of over 20 million players. With an engaging game ecosystem and a loyal fanbase, Goats has quickly become one of the most talked about names in the P2E space. Now, as the game prepares for a major exchange listing and a highly anticipated airdrop, all eyes are on the upcoming events and what they could mean for investors, players, and the future of the token. The combination of the exchange listing and airdrop has sparked a lot of excitement in the crypto community. So, what can we expect from the Goats token, and how could it impact the project's future? Let's break it all down. Goats token listing, what to expect. The Goats token is gearing up for a major milestone, its listing on top cryptocurrency exchanges. After the X Empire listing in October 2024, Goats is expected to follow suit and be made available on leading exchanges before the end of the month. With the token's growing user base, strong community support, and rising popularity in the play-to-earn gaming space, this listing has the potential to be a major event for both the game and the token itself. The official Goats team has confirmed that the token will be live on these platforms by October 31st, 2024. Which gives a clear timeline for when players and investors can start trading the token. This listing is a key milestone for Goats and its supporters, as it will allow for wider access and liquidity, potentially leading to a significant increase in trading volume. For early investors, the listing is a chance to benefit from increased visibility and the potential for price appreciation. With the game's large and active player base already in place, it's likely that the token will see a surge in demand as more users get involved. As the listing date approaches, traders will be closely monitoring the market, anticipating what kind of impact the event will have on both the price and the community's engagement. The exciting Goats Airdrop, a reward for loyal players. In addition to the exchange listing, Goats is preparing for an exciting airdrop that will reward its most loyal players and early adopters. Set to occur before October 31st, this airdrop will distribute free tokens to active users of the Goats game. It's an important move by the team to reward the community that has supported the project from the beginning and to encourage continued participation in the game. The airdrop has generated significant buzz across social media, with many players eagerly awaiting their chance to get in on the action. Community members are hoping for a generous allocation of tokens that will not only reward their dedication but also serve as an incentive for others to join the ecosystem. This airdrop will likely result in increased user engagement, helping to retain existing players while also attracting new ones. A well-executed airdrop can have a lasting impact on a project's growth. It can create a sense of excitement and urgency within the community, while also bringing new users into the fold. For Goats, this could mean even greater adoption and a growing user base that helps drive both the game's success and the long-term value of the token. Goats listing price. What are the predictions? As Goats prepares for its highly anticipated exchange listing, market analysts have been speculating on the token's potential launch price. Based on the current market conditions, the Goats token is expected to debut on major exchanges within the price range of $0.0043 to $0.0057. This range takes into account several factors, including the game's rapidly growing user base, the increasing demand for P2E tokens, and the overall state of the cryptocurrency market. While this initial price range may seem modest, it's important to note that many P2E tokens have seen strong price movements in the early days of trading, especially when supported by a solid community and strong fundamentals. With the Goats token's upcoming listing on major exchanges, the excitement generated by the airdrop, and the game's continuous growth, there's a good chance that the price could see significant upward momentum once trading begins. Many investors and community members are hoping that Goats will follow a similar trajectory to other successful P2E projects, where the token's price gradually increases over time as the community expands, more use cases for the token emerge, and trading volumes rise. As with any early-stage project, however, the market can be unpredictable, and potential investors should be aware of the risks involved. Why is the Goats listing important? The Goats listing is a key event for the project because it opens up new opportunities for growth and exposure. By being listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, the Goats token will become more accessible to a wider audience, including investors, traders, and even those who are new to the crypto space. Listings on larger platforms also typically lead to increased liquidity, which helps to stabilize the token's price and make it easier for users to buy and sell.